Cairo, capital of Egypt, is a charming city whose streets tell the history of Egypt's ancient civilization that influenced other cultures throughout the ages. It is home to a variety of monuments and landmarks representing the diversity of Egyptian culture. Cairo's name. Cairo's official name is Al-Qahira, which means the vanquisher or the conqueror or the victorious. Cairo was established by the Fatimids, under the leadership of General Johar al-Siki. First, it was named Al-Mansur, then it was changed to be Al-Qahira, Cairo after the conqueror planet Mars, as it is known among the historians. Cairo is known by many names such as City of 1,000 Minarets, due to its abundance of Islamic architectural treasures. However, the exact number of minarets in the city far exceeds 1,000, making the nickname even more fitting. Cairo's location. Cairo is located on the eastern bank of the Nile River, and surrounded by Kalubia province, uninhabited desert, and the Giza province. Cairo's strategic location at the crossroads of trade routes and its proximity to the Nile River made it a vital center for commerce, culture, and political power. The city has witnessed many important events, as 24 kilometers from Cairo lies the ancient capital of Egypt, Memphis, during the New Kingdom, and within the city 2,000 years ago, used to lay the fortress of Babylon, which later became the center of the Orthodox community. Population. The population of Cairo in 2023 is around 22 million. It is the largest city in Africa, and 15th largest in the world. Ancient Egypt. The history of Cairo dates back to ancient times. The area around modern-day Cairo was inhabited by ancient Egyptians, and it was a significant center during various periods of Egypt's history. The nearby city of Memphis, which served as the capital of ancient Egypt for much of its early history, had a major influence on the development of the region. The pyramids of Giza, including the Great Pyramid, were built during this era. After the Roman conquest of Egypt, the region became an important part of the Roman and later, Byzantine empires. During this time, various settlements and fortifications were established in the area, contributing to its growth and development. Islamic conquest and foundation of Cairo. In 641 CE, the Islamic conquest of Egypt took place, leading to the establishment of Islamic rule. The foundation of Cairo itself can be traced back to the 10th century, when the city was founded as a new capital by the Fatimid Caliphate. The Fatimids established Al-Qahira as the center of their caliphate, and it became a thriving hub of trade, culture, and architecture. This period saw the construction of significant architectural landmarks, including Al-Azhar Mosque, Ayyubid and Mamluk periods. These periods saw the city flourish as a center of learning, trade, and architectural innovation. Many of Cairo's iconic landmarks, such as the Citadel of Saladin and the Khan el-Khalili Bazaar, were built during the Mamluk era. Ottoman rule. In 1517, Cairo came under Ottoman rule after the Ottoman Empire conquered Egypt. Cairo continued to be an important political and cultural center during the Ottoman period, and the city's urban fabric continued to evolve. The Ottomans left their mark on the city through the construction of palaces, public buildings, and religious structures. Modern era. In the 19th century, under Ottoman influence and later, British colonial rule, Cairo underwent modernization and urban expansion. The construction of new neighborhoods, the introduction of modern infrastructure, and the expansion of educational institutions contributed to the city's transformation. The opening of the Suez Canal in 1869 boosted Cairo's importance as a strategic and commercial hub. Egypt gained independence from British colonial rule in 1952, and Cairo remained the capital of the newly established Egyptian Republic. The city has since played a central role in Egyptian politics, culture, and society. Interesting facts about Cairo. One of the most notable is the Nilometer, an ancient device, used to measure the Nile's water level, and predict annual flooding. Al-Azhar University. While Al-Azhar University is renowned as one of the oldest universities in the world, founded in 970 AD, it played a pivotal role in the spread of Islamic knowledge and culture. Al-Azhar's influence extended beyond education to diplomacy, with the university often mediating between rival dynasties and tribes. The Lost Hanging Church. There was once a church known as the Hanging Church in the ancient district of Babylon. This unique church was suspended above the gatehouse of a Roman fortress, giving it its distinctive name. The church still stands today, hidden amidst the bustling streets of Cairo. Citadel of Saladin. The Saladin Citadel of Cairo, built in the 12th century, is a historic fortress that offers panoramic views of the city. It was strategically constructed on a hill to protect against potential invaders, and still stands as a symbol of Cairo's resilience. Napoleon's encounters. In the late 18th century, Napoleon Bonaparte and his troops invaded Egypt. Their presence marked a significant turning point in the country's history and led to the discovery of the Rosetta Stone, which was instrumental in deciphering hieroglyphics. Underground city. Below the streets of Cairo, lies ancient tunnels and passages. Some of these underground spaces were used for transportation, storage, and even as burial sites. Many of these tunnels remain unexplored and hold secrets from the past. Contemporary Cairo. Today, Cairo is a bustling metropolis and the largest city in Egypt. It serves as the political, economic, cultural, and educational hub of the country. Cairo is known for its historic landmarks, including the pyramids of Giza, the Sphinx, the Egyptian Museum, and the vibrant neighborhoods that reflect its diverse and dynamic culture. Throughout its history, Cairo has experienced periods of prosperity, decline, and renewal, from ancient civilizations to Islamic empires, colonial influences, and modern transformations shaping it into the multifaceted city it is today. Its rich heritage and historical significance continue to attract visitors and researchers from around the world. Challenges such as traffic congestion, pollution, and urban sprawl persist, but efforts are being made to address these issues while preserving the city's rich heritage. Cairo boasts an eclectic mix of architectural styles, ranging from ancient Egyptian and Islamic to European influences. The city's skyline is a testament to its rich history, with minarets, domes, and modern skyscrapers coexisting harmoniously. Cairo has been a backdrop for significant historical events, including the 1952 Egyptian Revolution, that led to the establishment of a republic, and the 2011 Egyptian Revolution, part of the larger Arab Spring movement. And that's the story of Cairo. Hope you enjoyed this travel throughout the time. Subscribe to our channel for more historical adventures.